But nuclear community, you don't. By the time you make it out of school, you're right up for E5. Like I made E5 in 2 years and E6 in 4.5 years, and I've been stuck at E6 for the last 8 years, pretty much. All right, let's change this back to +2. Let's see where we're. All right, Ryan's in this race again.
Got one outside. All clear, all clear. All clear, all clear.
Okay, car number 1.
Fuck you.
You gotta win the race in order to get out ready.
Got
Say
one
what?
outside. Still there? Hold your line.
Win the race to get out ready.
Yeah, I hate that
Stay
shit.
low.
Second place, I might be able to get
All
irate.
clear, all clear. Outside. All clear, all clear.
Yeah, everybody's favorite base starts on the pole. Don't be surprised if you wreck going to turn 1 just now.
Is that same dude from the last race? Big car. Oh god.
You driving the 8 car? What?
This is gonna be crazy. Yeah, Brody's kind of a prima donna too. I used to race against him at ASRS.
What steering ratio do you use?
12 and 2.
Okay, because I'm pushing a lot going into the corner.
Yeah, I'm back in the corner up pretty good. I actually might set it at 12 and 0. Like I was turning too much to the right coming off the turn, and my offset was just so fucked up. So I might actually get a 0 here.
Brake number 2.
Braking when it gets dark on the asphalt.
Oh man. Wait, you went that way?
Yeah, man.
That last race threw me off with the truck handling.
I feel like it's the other one. No way he breaks that leg. You get the next ray, I'll follow.
Yeah, well, 8 works okay, but it'll kill your tires in the long run. It works good for like a lap or two, and then you're fucked after that. So you gotta pick and choose your battles there. If you're running qualifying, 8's fine, but in a race that lasts more than 3 laps, it's gonna kill you. What's up?
Say it again.
I don't know. I thought you said something. Anyways, good luck.
Alright, man, we're going green next time by. Alright, man, line up on the outside row now. Pit road is closed.
That was the longest pre-race speech I've ever heard. I had the checking out testing pack, whatever it was, and I was like, okay, we're just going to do it one at a time. Remember, one. I'm like, okay, how long are you going to say that?
It's like 10 at a time.
That's what last race was. How many cars you passed at one time?
Yep. Hopefully this is a little bit better.
I heard that, Mike.
Yep, same here.
Alright, let's drink up the rest of this Jack and Coke. Alright. Now we're ready to drive, bitches. This fucking 5 truck here took out like half the fucking field last race, so I'm gonna be very, very careful around him. Yeah, I'm gonna take it easy around homeboy here.
Honestly, your best shot to get out in front of him as fast as you can. Because he ain't that fast.
He's fast for like 2 laps.
Oh boy, here we go, guys.
It'll be fun. Good luck.
You too, man.
Shit.
Get ready. Alright, don't pass the 5 car. The pace car is in. Green, green, green. Pit road is now open. Good job, the next car is the leader.
Whew. There you go, Mike. I know Ryan's pretty fast. I've raced against him in person before. He's a pretty fast dude. But this car in front of me is dangerous as shit.
Sorry, Mark. Alright, 11. I saw that.
Yeah, Ryan's gonna catch me. I keep driving like that shit.
Second on the front.
Alright, man, caution is out. Caution is out. Line up single file. Pit road is closed.
Just can't get a clean run in, can we?
Oh man, that's too hard.
I messed up that lap before pretty big time coming off of 2.
Thanks, Drew. I appreciate that run down there, man. That's a good job through there.
I think I did next flat line like barely kissed the wall.
I'm glad you said that, Mike, because you were there, and then I started watching ahead, and I didn't know where he was. I was scared I squeezed
40
him
laps
out.
of caution again. I know, man. Like it's not that hard of a track. I don't understand. I don't know whether to pit or not. I think I might wait till the next one.
But, you know, he was still sitting. He was still blocking me, so I really, like I said,
There's going to be another one.
again.
I think for right now, even the tires like are really key. I think Texas is just more better right now.
What happened back?
Yeah, you figured that one out last race, didn't you? Getting back there with chaos.
Getting
Pit road is
like
now
a race
open.
most likely so.
It's always tight.
Yeah, that's my first time ever being that loose in that one spot, but
Yeah, I've done them
We can get Nuno to pit here. I ain't got to do it.
except for one time.
Yeah, some of the people in the back will stay out, and that'll cause a wreck, and then I'll pit after that.
Pit road is closed.
Yeah, pretty much everybody but the top 5 pit, or It is.
Even then, man, I think we're faster than them regardless of tires. So
Oh yeah, because I broke a second away from them, and I was not even. I was a little bit less than half a second from your bumper.
oh, NASCAR 14, man. I don't like those games. I don't like those games at all.
Is it 2 to go right now?
Yep.
Coming to, right now, it's getting ready to go. 1 to go. Leaders coming right to the start-finish line.
Alright, man, we're going green next
Alright,
time by.
we'll just come out
Alright, man,
right
line
when
up
you
on
guys
the
go by.
outside road now.
I got
Instead replay 12 HD for the
I know
follow.
that initial start, you got screwed out of that one.
Alright. What's up, Crash? How you doing, buddy? I don't think I have any drink left. I can't cheers. But thanks for the follow anyways there. Appreciate it. We're up to 191 now. 9 away from 200.
Nice paint scheme before.
Alright, here we go.
Get ready. Alright, don't pass the 5 car.
Go ahead, 10. I'm dropping back.
We got 5 minutes of optional damage, so I'm probably gonna be slow
Take
here.
cars in.
I got 9.
Green flag. Pit road is now open.
I need to figure out how to fucking restart. I'm getting my ass kicked going through the gears. Or go back to paddle shifters 1. Yeah, she's loose on the bottom.
You guys can end up wrecking now.
I didn't want to hit Michael there. I was about
God
to run him
damn.
over. Sorry about that.
Definitely should have got tires there. That was ridiculous.
Nice save.
Jesus Christ, this thing is loose as shit. Why you piss off on Fox Sports, man? I guess the leader about to lose it. Oh God. It's easy to make fun of Danica though, man. She's a girl. Everyone's gonna be able to make fun of her. You need to go fall on his line.
I'm trying to get away from this Rick car. He got fresh tires.
Leaders, when you get up to me, I'm gonna stay low.
Yeah, Brody's coming, man. He's got new tires. It's only 4 laps, though, so hopefully he uses up a lot of it trying to battle Ryan there, and I ain't got to worry about it. Wow, I went there too hard.
Yep.
Well, no, I think the problem with Danica is that, she's had 4 years to develop in a top tier ride. That's why people give her
Caution
shit.
is out. Caution is out. Line up single file. Pit road is closed.
Now we can equalize everything.
Thank God no one hit me.
Yeah, I mean,
Thank you God I did not.
the
fall.
only reason they're leaving here is because they're going in a different direction. I think like they're not targeting a different audience now. So I think the whole sexual
almost did
ads
what
and
you
everything
did,
are going to go
Kevin.
away. So they don't really need Danica
Yeah.
anymore. But she's very marketable. She'll get another sponsor.
Everybody
Don't get
does
me
that.
wrong.
Pit
I
road
don't think
is
she's a
now
great
open.
race car driver. I mean, I think she's good for a girl. I mean, but I don't think she deserves a top tier championship caliber ride.
Me and the 9 out.
Which, granted, she is doing better than Tony Stewart this year, but
No,
Tony
I
Stewart
would
is he is long gone.
Wow.
Alright, I'm out. See you guys.
See you, Mr. Kemp.
Line up single file.
Somebody road stay out.
Yeah. I don't know, man. We'll see what she gets. Oh god, this 12 car stayed out. This is gonna be fucking a clusterfuck. Unless he pits right here. Oh, he's pitting. Alright, almost halfway there. This race is going a little bit better than the last one.
My last race, the crew back.
Yeah, I was wondering if you were going to go. I thought Brody was going to beat you out.
I almost left him just so I could get that outside.
You get her fixed up there, Mr. Mike?
Yeah, they were objectifying the shit out of her. I think that's why she got a lot of the hate that she did. Because they...
Straight away. I don't hit him in the
I mean, they sold her sexuality. I mean, she's not a horrible race car driver. I don't think she's a Sprint Cup driver. I know I've said this 1,000 times on there. She's not a Sprint Cup level
I got
driver.
that problem too, there, Mike.
She has been improving the last 4 years. I think the problem people have is most drivers don't get 4 years to prove that they're fast. If they ran the first year like Danica did, they'd be out of a ride. Like, then and fucking there, because, they look at the other 3 drivers they have. Tony Stewart, Kevin Harvick, and Kurt Busch, all championship drivers.
Man, we're going green next time.
And they got Danica in there, and the only reason they have her in
Line up
there
on
is
the
because of her
outside row
sponsor. I mean, not saying she's not a good driver, but she wouldn't be racing for Stuart Haas if she was a dude. I mean, sorry. She might have front row with a sponsor or, you know, something like that, but no one would give her the chance unless it was more about exposure. She sells more T-shirts than anyone else out there besides like juniors. So I understand why Danica's there, but I don't have to like it. You know what I mean? Like I said, I'll give you credit. She has improved a lot. She's doing okay this year, but I mean, okay doesn't cut it in the Cup Series, especially not with Stewart Haas Racing. Like, I don't even think Stewart's going to be there for very much longer if he keeps driving like he is. All right, here we
You
go.
ready? Alright, don't pass the 5 car.
Well, I made her change the setup, so I guess it doesn't really work.
The pace car is in. Green flag, green flag. Next car is the leader.
Sorry for
Yeah,
up there
one
going and
inside.
they weren't.
Say hi. Still there. Still there? Hold your line. Clear low, clear low.
All right, here we go. Get in the rhythm here.
Trying to knock my right from second to third place. You can have it.
Brody's coming. Get back in the rhythm. I think I'll pull away from him here after a couple laps. I think he's very fast after a couple laps, but then loses his shit.
Alright,
Woo!
halfway to the finish.
Alright, that was a shitty lap. Hopefully we can go green the rest of the way here, though. Have a good race going on up front.
Didn't think that pack would work.
Yeah, I'm struggling out there.
Jeez.
Alright, doing good here, doing good. Maintaining with the leader.
Oh no.
God damn it, people! Jesus.
Caution is out. Line up single file. Pit road is
We have a good race going on.
I have no idea what happened there.
I do.
Oh, you missed me running second right now.
Can't blame me.
I seen it. I was right behind y'all.
She does become a bigger name over time, but like I said, the way she got to the cup level is still what rubs people the wrong way, and it still rubs me the wrong way. Because I get to watch guys like, you know, Josh Wise, who consistently outperformed her in the 7 car in the Nationwide Series. He's racing for Phil Parsons now. Like, he should be in Danica's ride because he consistently did better than she did in that car. But because she had the sponsor and she had the sex appeal and the marketability, Josh Wise was racing for a starting park team pretty much, and Danica's running for Stewart Haas Racing. We're gonna do. Hang on, I'll talk about it in a second.
He's going to be stuck where he's at.
We're gonna do. I'm gonna reset it 10,000 again, unless anybody's there. I think someone's already there. I gotta actually come up with a plan for him because I haven't really been paying attention. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you.
Line up single
God damn it! I got out third here.
Catch the 3.
Shitty stop. Should be a NASCAR analyst.
I
Yeah.
don't feel bad. It took him 8 seconds to drop my right.
I don't know about that. I can't hold my freaking tongue enough. You know what I
He
mean?
beat you out.
He did because I had a 14-second stop.
I know if he beat you, that was close.
No, it said he did. Who won?
Well, on the
Crash
good
got
side
10,000. Crash, I'm going to send you a Steel Horse Racing
not
sticker
starting
as
out
well.
later.
Send me your information on a Twitch message. Like your, if you feel comfortable sending me your mailing address, that's fine. But we're going to get you a Steel Horse Racing sticker for getting up to 10,000. We're going to reset the bets after this, and then I'll be back tomorrow night streaming.
Use promo code. What the hell does that say?
Jake Adele 25D10C. You can buy yourself a rig like mine for 25% off.
I thought you had the SimSeats rig.
Nope, GTR simulator.
Where'd you get rid of your SimSeats?
Over his head.
No, when you came over to my house, man, that was a GTR. That wasn't a sim seat.
How much damage did you get there, Mike?
Oh, wow.
About 10 minutes. I'm just going to watch y'all finish up.
If you're ever looking to get one, 25% off.
How much is that?
About 400, $400.
Man, I was overdriving the
What does it come with?
Alright, man, we're
Bigger
going green
shit.
next time by.
The
Alright, man, line
the
up on
seat, the
inside
frame,
row.
triple screen mount, or you can get a single screen mount if you want it.
Hey, I guess I could have held it lower and
Gear shifter thing.
How much shipping?
It's about 100. So with my discount, it pretty much equates to free shipping. Because it's like 480, and then minus 25% plus 100 shipping. So it's essentially free shipping, a little bit less.
Oh, wow. Sounds about like the Aboto, like the older one. $100 in shipping, but like $350 if you
Get
buy it,
ready.
plus all the accessories.
True.
Alright, man. Pace cars in. Green flag, green flag.
Sorry about that,
Outside.
Dre. I saw the 5 go and he slammed on brakes.
Stay low, there's a car on the high
Yeah,
side.
I know.
Stay low, there's a car on the high side. Stay low, there's a car on the high side. All clear, all clear.
God, this is a clusterfuck.
Most people would make research like that.
You're back in second.
oh, the 12 just disappeared. I don't know where he's at.
Yeah, that was a clusterfuck.
Yeah, if I get him, he's going to the back behind us.
Get one outside. Still there? Hold your line. Stay low. All clear, all clear. Get one outside. You're in first place. You're clear high, clear high.
Alright, man. Yeah, we'll get you a still horse sticker. I'll reset the bets. Next person to get to 10,000 will get a still horse sticker.
I got too much front end damage to do anything.
We have 10 to go this time by.
Alright. Oh god, I forgot I had Nightbot running. Sorry. I'll have to fix my Nightbot settings. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, they're getting really frisky back here. Hopefully this goes green the rest of the way. So I got him now. Even if it goes green, or if we get a caution, I'm not pitting. Nice. Yeah, buddy. Here we come to 6 to go. Definitely not pitting anymore now. Well, they keep running my line. We got him. Not get loose off turn. That's the biggest thing. Yeah, baby. Time to go. Alright, now we can get a caution come out next lap. I'll be good to go. This race is a little bit better than the last one. Alright, here we go. Come on, caution. He's starting to gain back on me a little bit. 3 laps to go. 3 laps to go. He's still gaining on me. Two to go. Get my lines. Getting a little loose. We're good. White flag, baby. White flag.
One more left.
Nobody bet win, assholes. It's not over yet, though. Oh, he's over driving it now. I am clear to go. As long as my marks here. Back it off really a whole lot here. Ain't got to win by a mile, just by an inch. Fuck yeah, bitches. Woo! It's 2 second places and a win today. Not bad.
Hell of a race day, man.
Good job, man.
That was fun.
You won. You drove a great race.
That was a lot better than the last race.
Good win, Jonathan.
Oh, well, I still got front nose damage.
Woo, buddy, I am sweating my balls off right now. All right, I gotta leave.
I would
I gotta
have
leave
done
for
better,
work
but
here in a minute. Pits were rigged.
Went, slammed on brakes. I know where to go.
Yeah, I ran in the back of him too. Luckily, I didn't get any incidents for it, but he fucked that up. All right, let's do some burnouts.
Yeah, my front nose is just done after that.
Almost run you over a couple times there, Michael. Yeah, Jay, that was fun, dude. That was a lot of fun.
Denny Hamlin burnouts, bitch. Woo! Oh, I got 2x for that? Fuck!
New from Siberia. That's the rest of that. The rest of my single one.
Alright, I'm gonna turn the Nightbot off. Like, that's ridiculous. Hang on, let me turn this Nightbot off real quick. I'm sorry, he keeps warning you guys. I don't care about all caps. Turn this motherfucker off. Park. 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 Alright, there we go. Nightbot. Nightbot. I turned it off for now. I'm going to get it fixed. Like I said, I was trying to add the music thing there. Let's see if I lost any safety rating there. I got that 2x at the end. I really pissed. Oh, I got 0. Okay. Ah, plus 0.19. Yay. And we're up to 44.57 I rating. Yay. Yeah, free viewer. Another 12 laps. We're almost at the 4,500 I rating, guys. We're getting there. My goal is to be 5,000 here soon. Alright, I'll do a shot of Evan Williams for y'all since I don't have any beer. When we get my Evan Williams, we'll do a shot. I'll be right back. They actually didn't get any incidents for that. I think it showed up, but it doesn't count once every car crosses the finish line. So I got that going for me, which is nice. Slowly build my safety rating back up, man. These races here this week have been fucking crazy. So I'll put that to fucking Facebook there. Alright. Here you go again. Shot the fuck up. Let's do this shit. Alright. Cheers to y'all for oh shit. Cheers to y'all sticking around with the stream. And let's get ready to go to work. Yeah. Alright. Steel Horse Racing here. Click on the link. There's a Facebook link there. Click to like us on Facebook. Let's there you go. There's a link right there. If you want to like us on Facebook, we got a bunch of drivers. Dan Murray, Jeff Ward, Greg Evans, Kevin Pearson, Cody Gibson, Thomas J. George, Nick Cohan. We got a bunch of drivers in there. It's actually a team that's been around for a while. I've only been on the team for like 2 years now. But we're a decent sized team. We like to have a lot of fun. We're not too competitive. Those guys on there like Dan Murray and Thomas George and Jeff Ward and Greg Evans that whoop my ass week in and week out. So we got a pretty decent rating going on between all of us. I think between all these races I've been doing here lately. I might actually have the higher rating out of everyone, but it's good times, man. We're a pretty good team. But anyways, just wanted to thank you guys for sticking around for the stream. Give us a like there on Facebook. If you haven't already, hit follow. And we'll catch y'all probably tomorrow night about 3 a.m. Might do a little streaming, and I'll be on here at worst Monday night for the Real Sim Racing Full Throttle Cup Series. So I'll be on here randomly. I can't give you a schedule, but said if you like what you see, hit follow there. We're doing a giveaway at 200 followers. We're 9 away right now. 9 away. Do a drunk stream. If you get here at 2 o'clock in the morning, I am drunk all the fucking time. Alright guys, y'all take it easy. I'll talk to y'all later. Have a nice night.